Hello friends, day 115 and I am back home. But don't get too excited, it's only for one night. I just happened to be passing my home on the way down to Land's End. So I get one night at home and I've done all my washing. I'm so excited. I've got nice clean clothes, clean everything in fact. And I'm shedding a little bit of weight. I don't need quite so many batteries now that I'm out of the reach of the Scottish Highlands. So I've shed a few batteries, a little bit more weight here and there, and I will be setting off tomorrow morning. I stopped on my way today and had a chat with Mike on what way. He's looking after the boat for Anita, who's currently away, another electric narrowboat. So when I get back, maybe I'll catch up with Anita. In the meantime, a few pictures of the canal today, and I will see you on the trail.